Hello. For anyone who doesn't know, my name is Cara from Behind the Bar, but this video is really mostly for you guys that have been supporters of the channel for a while now. I just wanted to give you a bit of an update of where we've at. We've had a few changes. You might notice that my background is looking a little bit different. So basically we're actually working with I'm working with a different production team now, which is really exciting. It's giving us a little bit more space to try new things. We've moved locations, so we're now here at Anyada, which is still very close to Nomada where we used to film, but just another restaurant background. So a little bit of a different look for 2022. The other thing that you might notice, we're just really trying to grow this channel. We've obviously had it going for a while now and I love working on it and I really want to keep working on it. It's been a really massive part of my life for the past few years and I definitely hope that you guys have got plenty out of it and I want to keep working on it. But for that we do need to start having a look at some partnerships and collaborations and things just to make it viable, you know, for myself and for the team, for all of the time that we put into this. I just want to kind of let you know for sure that I will always be making sure that anyone that we partner with will kind of be useful to you. You know, I don't want to be kind of shoving anything in your face that I don't think is going to be useful, especially when it comes to anything actually bar related. You have my 100% guarantee that it's a product that I've tried and actually like. So I hope that you'll be a little bit patient with that, and also just that it will actually let us give you more content and be more varied content, so maybe out and about in the world and everything like that. We'll also be looking at firing up YouTube memberships. We did close the Patreon sort of during Melbourne's interminable lockdowns because we just couldn't get the amount of content to you that made it worthwhile. But as soon as we've had a couple more shoot days, which we're kind of getting to now, and feel like we can fire that back up again, you will be the first to know. But basically just thank you so much for coming along on this ride, and long may it continue, and obviously welcome to anyone who's new. I hope that you enjoy it. Thank you.